valedictory function, I will welcome everyone. So myself, Dr. Bharti Gururaj, HOD of Electronics and Communication Engineering and coordinator for this faculty development program sponsored by AICTE Training and Learning Center, that is ATAL, on Industry 4.0. So I would like to take this opportunity to thank everyone, especially our management of ACS College of Engineering, and also the sponsoring AICTE New Delhi. So we have received a funding of about 93,000 on December 31st. So later on, so we have scheduled the dates and we started this faculty development program. So I personally thank all the eminent speakers who have delivered a very interactive sessions, very good informative sessions. So they have taken out their time in their busy schedule and they have delivered very wonderful sessions, I hope. So the speakers list we have for the day one, it was Mrs. Sunita Parushetty Madam, Technical Lead Altran. So for the inauguration we had with the Madam. So she has done on Industry 4.0 implementation in semiconductors. The session 2 was by Dr. S.V. Satish, Professor and HOD Mechanical Engineering Department of PES University. And the third session of the day one was hands-on lab view and virtual instrumentation by Mr. Vasant Kumar, VI Solutions. So second day we had 5G technology. Second day we had the 5G technologies for Industry 4.0. Second day we had on the session of 5G technologies of hands-on using MATLAB and 5G toolbox by Dr. Sidlingappa Gowda Biradar Sir, Professor Dayanand Sagar, Academy of Technology and Management. And the session 5th was Introduction and Implementation Digital Transformation on Industry 4.0 by Mr. Yash NN, Global Technical Leader, Aruba HP. And the session 6 was again on hands-on lab view based data acquisition used by Mr. Rajkumar, again from VI Solutions. So that is for the second day. The third day was the Industry 4.0 implementation with Internet of Things, its challenges, its research challenges, everything was very nicely explained by Dr. Muralidhar Kulkarni Sir, Professor Department of ECE, NITK, Surathkal. And session 8 was understanding the computer vision, its case studies for depth estimation in Industry 4.0 by Dr. Murali S., President of Maharaja Institute of Technology, Mysore. Along with him, his research scholar, Dr. Honnaraju Sir, was also explained, took the session. Session 9 was Mr. Vijay Mantesh on an overview of embedded systems with Industry 4.0. So that was also a very good, wonderful session. And next, on the day 4, we have the innovative teaching learning method using augmented reality and Industry 4.0 initiative by Dr. Rajesh Buktar, Professor Mechanical Engineering from Sardar Patel College of Engineering, Mumbai. Session 11 was Digital Transformation Technologies of Industry 4.0, that is the cloud computing. Mr. Santosh HHD, Manager Cloud Operations, SAP Labs India. And afternoon, we had an hands-on lab view session based on control systems, design and UI development by Mr. Rajkumar, VI Solutions. And the today's session was 13th, implementation of Industry 4.0, adoption in various sectors and case studies by Mr. Vasant Kumar, VI Solutions. And the last session was the stress management and yoga for an holistic life. So that was took by Mr. Shivshankar P. Shenoy. So finally, we have come to the end of this faculty development program. We have completed successfully, and now it is the valedictory session. So for this, I thank everyone, including my management, AICTE, and our principal, Dr. M.S. Murali Sir. Without his support, this would not have been happen. So I also thank my department colleagues, Dr. A.M. Prasanna Kumar Sir, Mr. Nagesh, Mrs. Ashwini, Mr. Prajit Nair, Mrs. Vijaya Dalavai, and Mrs. Renuka Kelkar for their support and coordination for this function. And I also thank my system admin and also our social media coordinators who have uploaded all the sessions links in the YouTube in time, and they have given the links, and we have also given to you people for the reference. So last but not the least, I welcome you all for this valedictory function. Without participants' support, enthusiastic support and interaction with the speakers, this function could not be happen very successfully. So thank you everyone for attending this. So now I will hand over my session next to our principal. So he'll deliver the presidential address. Thank you.
Very good morning to one and all. Good afternoon to one and all present here. I would like to take this opportunity to first let me congratulate the Department of Electronics and Communication and Dr. Bharati Gurraj Madam for successfully completing this particular program, and the entire team of Electronics and Communication, ECE College of Engineering, for their continuous and constant support. Without their support, it would not have been happened in this grand manner. So I understand that a good lot of speakers, both from industries and academia, have participated in this particular program, and also the speakers are excellent. And of course, I have also participated in one or two sessions wherein I really got to know about many things which I was not at all aware of. So for which I should congratulate the speakers who have given their expertise, and also they have updated our faculty members and many other participants regarding what exactly the Industry 4.0 is all about with respect to many areas of specialization. It is not only meant for embedded system or VLSI or implementation of semiconductors or whatever the thing is, and it has covered the wide range of areas of requirement, that is what exactly is looked for. And I would also like to tell one thing here. Those people who have attended this, all the 5 days of this particular program, to make use of this to their best possible capabilities and ability, and also especially the teachers who are all there should also transmit this particular knowledge, that what they have gained, to the student community, so that our students, the present day students, are the future of our country. As you all know, this particular program will definitely help you people to make them to understand and realize what exactly is required for the day. So at this point of time, once again, I would like to congratulate everyone, those who have participated and gained the more knowledge about this Industry 4.0. And also I would like to thank AICTE for sponsoring this particular program to our institution, to our Electronics and Communication Department. So I understand that such kind of programs is being arranged in our institution continuously, and many of the participants have really gained out of these kind of programs that we arrange. So I look forward to many of our faculty members, not only in Karnataka or across the country, to take part in such kind of programs, and also let them become the conveners for such kind of programs. Let them write the proposals and get the sponsorship from various industry sector and through other agencies, funding agencies. And also I would like to congratulate everyone who have participated directly or indirectly in making this particular program a successful one. So I once again wish you all the very best, and hope to see you all in the coming program, that what we are going to have in our institution at the earliest. Thank you one and all, and once again congratulations to each and everyone. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. So regarding the test, so after this program, we will be sharing the test link. So you can, it will be enabled for 1 hour. So you can give the response. So it will be in the form of the Google Forms only. So you can, it will be the responses will be taking up to 1 hour. So after this valedictory session, I'll share the test link as well as the feedback link for the full session. So I like to invite the participants who have attended this 5-day FDP faculty development program to give their valuable feedback. So please give the feedback. Sir, please switch on your video, sir. Piyush, sir, please switch on your video and
Am I visible, ma'am?
yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Namaskar to everyone. It was very great to have this FDP online, and I'm very thankful to all the team members of who have been involved directly or indirectly in this FDP. Actually, this FDP has given an add-on knowledge to the thing that I have in from my course of my work, and also it had introduced so many new perspectives for study and for enhancement, also for my research also. So I'm once again thankful to all the team members and all the members who are involved directly and indirectly in the completion of this FDP, and congratulations to the team and the management for successfully completing this AICTE FDP. Thank you.
Thank you very much, sir. Thank you very much. So next, please.
Hello?
Yes, sir. Please switch on your video, sir, for just a second. And participants,
Yes.
yes, sir. Sandeep, sir, please. Sandeep, sir, can you able to hear?
Yes, ma'am, I'm able to hear. Yeah, it's been very wonderful session of last 5 days. Hello, am I audible, ma'am?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. You are audible.
Yes. So thank you to all the members, all team to guideline give the basically on industry 4.0 and all the details. Thank you so much to all.
Ma'am, I was able to turn on my camera, but can I
No
share
problem.
my?
Sir. Yes,
Yeah.
yes, yes. Yes, sir, please.
Yeah, thank you. My name is Devin Goul, and I'm from Gujarat, working as assistant professor in IT department, GSET. I would like to share a few of the things which I have learned during these 5 days FDP. I have learned few of the topics from IoT, industrial revolution, cloud computing, data centers, 3D printing, hands-on on lab view, and other such good, interesting topics from which I can get benefited in future. Even I can help my students about the same if I will go and detail study about the same. Considering the challenges which we are facing in virtual learning, it's quite difficult to concentrate all the time. But overall, I personally felt that it's a good experience at learning in this FTP. And it was a great experience for me specifically. And I'm very much thank you for the entire team for allowing me to speak as well as allowing me to attend this FTP. And congratulations for the smooth conduction of the entire program. Thank you all.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, Devan, sir. So Any other participants? Kindly share your feedback.
Ma'am,
Yes, ma'am, please.
ma'am, I'm the Tamil literacy. I'm working in as an associate professor in the Department of ECE in Tamil Nadu, ma'am. Really, I'm so interesting for all your sessions. Once all sessions are very interesting. You have bring us into a new world, ma'am. Like that, we are a profession. We are working under in academic, but we must know what happen in industry. So, knowing of all these things, then only we can connect our students to that industry, ma'am. So, this all the sessions are very useful. But I have missed few of the sessions, the sessions I have attended, all the sessions are very interesting, ma'am. So thank you for all the team members, those are organizing this FDP, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you so much, Tamil literacy, ma'am. Thank you very much. Balakrishnan sir, can you just share your feedback? Balakrishnan sir. Any other participants? Sivakishan sir. Sivakishan sir, please share your feedback.
Yes, ma'am. Good afternoon to all of you. My name is Sivakishan. I work in the Department of Civil Engineering in SRKR Engineering College in Bhimavaram. It's a small town in coastal Andhra Pradesh. I have about 10 years experience in the industry and 10 years in teaching. I started my career with teaching and after about 3 years, I went to the industry and came back to teaching 5 years ago. I personally enjoyed the FDP very much because my industrial experience was in almost all the sectors. I worked in automotive industry, I worked in paper industry, I worked in services industry, I worked in software industry. So I'm a person with breadth, but not much depth. So I could relate to most of the speakers who were giving the latest trends in various industry for. And especially after 5 or 6 years of living in the industry, it was a good refresher for me as to what is happening in various aspects of the industry. Now, AICTE is obviously spending this amount so that teachers can benefit their students. So I especially liked yesterday's session where Rajesh Buktar sir from Sardar Patel College of Engineering demonstrated how augmented reality can be used for teaching engineering graphics to students. So this is something that I can apply immediately in the sense in the coming year or two. And in the long term, when we do projects at the BTech level, I would like to encourage students to use IoT in their projects because my domain is environmental engineering within civil engineering. So we need to do a lot of measurements of air quality, water quality, soil quality, etc. So I think it will also benefit me in the long term to apply IoT principles to civil engineering problems and solutions. Coming to the organization, I also am very happy that I have attended this particular program because I see that everybody in the department has contributed to it. So all the industry speakers are personally known or good friends of the department faculty. So it shows that there was a very good teamwork in the department, which is all led by Bharati ma'am very efficiently. So I enjoyed listening to all the speakers. Scope for improvement. The practical sessions are a challenge for any kind of an FDP. I was pleasantly surprised about the LabVIEW sessions because my brother used LabVIEW for his research in earthquake engineering. If those links could be shared a little in advance, as soon as you confirm participation, if those links with the instructions for installing are sent a little in advance, maybe more people could get benefited by these practical sessions. Because installing any kind of software, there could be some glitches, 32-bit, 42, 64-bit, and so on. That is one suggestion. And regarding the practical conducting of FDP, we have seen some disruptions where accidentally the mics would be switched on. I think people who have paid attention to this would understand that that particular person has done it accidentally, so nothing bad about him. but most likely they have switched off their speaker also. So when we say please switch off your mics, they wouldn't listen to that because they are not in front of the devices. So I think one of the organizers team should specifically look at the participants to see who has unmuted, and they should mute the speakers. In fact, I have done it many times, and I think once or twice accidentally I've muted the speakers also. I'm very sorry for that. But someone should take that initiative in the interest of all the participants.
Yes,
That's
sir,
it from
sure,
my
it will be
side.
done.
Thank you to everyone.
Thank you very much, sir. Thank you. So any other participants, kindly share your feedback. So we have around 100 participants now. So kindly share your valuable feedback.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, sir.
Good afternoon, everybody.
Good afternoon, sir.
Hello.
Yes, sir. You are audible. Kindly speak.
Yeah, actually, ma'am, I'm from field and I have joined the college recently. Before 6 months, hardly it's 6 months. Before that, I was in the field of HVAC industry on operation and maintenance. So I have learned here something that Internet over things and everything, some devices from the national instruments. Ma'am, it's very helpful for the my future.
You can switch off your video and you can talk, sir. No problem. If there is a problem.
Yes, ma'am, it's very helpful
Yes.
for my future experience in the college. I found it very helpful. This FDP is very good.
Thank you, sir. We have also shared the links of YouTube, all the videos till yesterday. So today's session we will be uploading in the evening. So it will be helpful for you people. So we will also thank to the AICTE peer committee review member, so Mr. Sanjay. So Sanjay sir also. So anyone wants to share their feedback?
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Yes, sir,
Am I
please.
audible?
Yes,
Good
sir,
afternoon. This
you are
is
audible.
this
Yes,
is
sir.
Kribagaran from KPR Institute of Engineering and Technology.
Yes,
As
sir.
per the FDP program, the course content and the lab session, each and everything went in a fine way. And I sincerely thank the coordinator and the networks AICT for providing this course. And the industrial IoT is the current trend and current field, and we could be able to get more ideas from the this FDP sessions. And one kind request is that lab use sessions, PPT, and then afterwards that session content, if you shared, means it will be
Yes,
very
I'll be
useful for
sharing.
us.
Yes, sure,
Yes,
I'll be
ma'am.
sharing. They have sent, so I'll be sharing within
Okay,
half
ma'am.
an hour. I'll be sharing, sir. I'm having,
And
I'll be sharing.
okay, ma'am. I thank the coordinator and then afterwards AICT for providing us the very good program. And also the program organization is very good, and the lab sessions are good when we compare to the normal theory sessions. And you can also share the contact details also, ma'am. The lab use session, those who handled, because if we have
Yes,
any doubt, we could be able to contact them and clarify our doubts.
yes, sir. Surely I'll share all the details. I'll be
Yeah.
sharing. I'll be sending through the mail. So all the
Yeah, ma'am.
details I'll be sending through the mail.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you. Thank you for.
Thank you, sir. Veena ma'am, can you share your feedback? So thank you, everyone. So so Dr. Prasanna Kumar sir, so kindly give the vote of thanks.
Good afternoon, one and all. Good afternoon once again to all the dignitaries and participants. Myself, Dr. A.M. Prasanna Kumar, Professor in Electronics and Communication Engineering Department, feel honored and privileged to get an opportunity to propose the vote of thanks on this auspicious occasion. On the behalf of entire fraternity of Electronics and Communication Engineering Department, I profusely convey my deep regards to our Honorable Founder Chairman and Chancellor, Dr. A.C. Shanmugam sir, for his kind blessings. I am profusely thankful to our beloved President, Rajarajeshwari Group of Institutions, Engineer A.C.S. Arun Kumar sir, for the support in organizing this 5-day faculty development program. My heartfelt thanks to Executive Director, Dr. S. Vijayanand sir, and Special Officer, Dr. S. Jayabalan sir, for their encouragement. I wish to express our profuse thanks to Principal Dr. M.S. Murli sir. I thank Sri C.N. Sitaram sir, IAS, CEO of Rajarajeshwari Group of Institution, for his guidance. I wish to give a brief summary on AICTE Atal FDP on Industry 4.0. It is all about the fourth industrial revolution. Industry 4 is a blended of advanced analytics, big data, robotics and automation, artificial intelligence, Internet of Things and process digitization. Industry 4.0 plays an important role in manufacturing and engineering sectors, automotive and process industries, as well as the electronics and electrical systems, along with information and communication industries. A technology that aims on interconnectivity, automation, machine learning, and real-time monitoring among the machines and processes. Our fourth industrial revolution plays an important role in making long-term manufacturing efficiency possible. The industrial sector is required to produce ever larger quantities using fewer raw materials and less energy. Industry 4.0 will help companies create efficient manufacturing processes with increased production, energy, and resource efficiency. The fourth industrial revolution has been characterized by the increase in digitization and interconnection of products, value chains, and business models. Objectives of this conducting faculty development program altogether successfully completed in every sense. The main objective of this conducting this faculty development program is to fill the gap between industry and academics and to transfer knowledge by imparting quality training. Both theory and hands-on sessions went well for all the participants. All the sessions handled by industrial experts from top companies as well as academia. I wish to express a thanks to our beloved head of the department, Dr. G. Bharti Madam, and organizing team for the unlimited support. My enormous respect to all our HODs and professors of various other departments for their presence. A special thanks to my dear colleagues for their involvement and dedication to make this event a grand success. I convey thanks to all distinguished participants for attending this AICTE training and learning Atal sponsored 5-day online faculty development program on Industry 4.0. For last but the least, my grateful thanks for All India Council for Technical Education for sponsoring this faculty development program to be held at ECE Electronics and Communication Department of ACES College of Engineering, Bengaluru. Lastly, I thank each and everyone who have directly or indirectly helped us for conducting this event. Once again, thank you one and all. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Prasanna Kumar sir. Thank you. So I will be sharing the test link now. So within 4 o'clock, we will be closing the responses at 4 o'clock. So we will be closing the responses. So kindly send the response in time. The test link has been shared. Thank you, everyone. So as you all know, after the attendance will be considered 80% and the test marks will be taken 60%. So based on that only, you will be getting a certificate directly from the AICTE, them only. So test marks should be more than 60%. So attendance we will be marking by today. So then the eligible candidates will be given the certificates. Thank you, everyone. And also I'll share one feedback link. So please fill that also. Now only I'll be sharing the feedback link also. Please fill that also. Thank you.
Ma'am? Ma'am, did you share the assessment link?